Expanded polystyrene pods for domestic housing slabs in Australia. Expanded polystyrene pods are void formers, which are used in slab construction to create a more stable foundation for buildings. Given expanded polystyrene is 98% air, the pods are lightweight, making transportation easy. They are also strong, durable, and have great thermal insulation and shock absorption characteristics, which provides benefits to both the builder and the owner. Pods are ideal foundations for reactive soil areas and are even being used in areas with regular seismic activity. The pods are created using raw polystyrene bead, which is around the size of a grain of sand. Contact with steam creates a reaction, expanding the bead to approximately 50 times its original size. Once the bead has been expanded, it is then stored in hoppers to mature until it is ready to be moulded. From here, the beads are placed in a mould and again reheated using steam. After a cooling period, the moulded pod is removed from the machine. Pods are 1090mm by 1090mm in size, with thicknesses typically 150mm, 225mm, 300mm or 375mm. The thickness will change depending on the building site and will be specified by the architect, builder and the results of a soil type. Pods supplied by members of Expanded Polystyrene Australia contain a flame retardant additive. This additive inhibits accidental ignition from a small flame source such as a cigarette or sparks from an angle grinder. If a flame was to reach the pod, the additive will absorb the energy to the point the small flame will be extinguished. However, as with all organic materials, expanded polystyrene is combustible and every precaution must be taken to avoid exposure to flame sources. Expanded polystyrene is 100% recyclable. It can be reprocessed and manufactured back into expanded polystyrene products or into other items such as coat hangers, picture frames and imitation wood. Pod members of Expanded Polystyrene Australia follow a code of practice, reducing environmental impact by ensuring arrangements are in place between suppliers and users to clean up, collect and recycle expanded polystyrene offcuts. When pods are ordered by a builder, they are packaged up, securely placed on a truck and sent to the construction site.